The ISO 45001 standard was developed by the International Organization for Standardization. It's a set of international standards for occupational health and safety management systems, or OHSMS. The standard provides a framework to identify, control, and reduce workplace risks. This enables organizations to provide safe and healthy workplaces for their employees. The standard is based on the plan, do, check, act cycle. ISO 45001 certification is a formal validation that an organization's OHSMS meets the requirements of the ISO 45001 standard. The certification is granted by an external, independent certification body. ISO 45001 certification demonstrates an organization's commitment to workplace safety. There are many benefits to ISO 45001 certification. It can improve safety culture, reduce workplace accidents and injuries, and costs associated with workplace accidents and injuries. Certification can also enhance employee morale and engagement, and build reputation and credibility. Any organization that wishes to improve its workplace safety can apply for ISO 45001 certification. This includes manufacturing companies, construction companies, transportation companies, and warehousing and logistics companies. Applying for ISO 45001 certification through EAS is easy. Just make an enquiry at EAS Contact Us page. An application form will be given to fill out and submit. EAS will review the application and then send a quote. After the quote is accepted, EAS will proceed with the certification process. EAS will conduct audits to assess your organization's OHSMS. Once the certification process is successfully completed, you will receive your certificate. There are many reasons to choose EAS for ISO 45001 certification. EAS is a globally known ISO certification and training body with an extensive industry experience of more than 20 years. EAS is accredited by Joint Accreditation System of Australia and New Zealand for certification. EAS provides customized services to meet your needs. EAS is committed to excellence and provides efficient, cost-effective, and value-added services. Contact EAS today for ISO 45001 certification. Visit our website at www.eascertification.com, or send us an email at enquiry@eascertification.com. We are confident that we can provide you with the quality services you need to get certified.